Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2011 Isuzu NPR, stock number is 41970, if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we'd like to get you to hit that subscribe and like button, so every time we put new product on the website and on YouTube, you'll be notified so you can see the most up-to-date stuff we have on there. We bring these trucks in from our customer trade-ins or from our leasing companies. We go through them, wholesale the trucks we don't want, keeping just the very best trucks for our customers to buy. We go through the cabs, the bodies, lift gates, suspension, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies we find, we run it through our medium duty shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC on them, get them cleaned up, pictures and videos to get online for y'all to take a look at to purchase. What we do have here is a 2011 Isuzu NPR. It's a 12,000 GVW truck, 4-cylinder, diesel automatic. And on top of that 150-point check, we've changed the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters. The DPF filter has been cleaned in this. It's got 4 new rear tires and rear brakes. And this thing is pre-qualified for the AGWS warranty. So you can purchase this vehicle, put that warranty on it, and feel good about your purchase going down the road. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As with all the smaller Isuzu cab overs, they're really easy to get in and out of. You got an adjustable captain seat. For the driver, you got a 2-person bench seat. And on the Isuzus, you got the great outward visibility, but also the upward visibility too. Because it is a cab over, it's got a smaller footprint, so this truck will turn a whole lot tighter than a conventional truck with the same size body. We got the air conditioning, we have got the cruise control. And as we said, this is diesel automatic, so it's very easy to drive. And even though this is a 2011 truck, you can take a look at it. It's been very well taken care of, very well maintained. So it'll be a great truck to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people are not aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for well over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the trucks. When you take a look at pre-owned trucks, a lot of them are beat up, the corner caps are knocked out. This truck's really clean, and one more feature we have on this truck is it does have the cab air deflector on it, so that will help with the fuel mileage going down the road. This truck has got a nice 14-foot van body on it. You can see brand new tires on the back. We got new mud flaps on the rear. This particular truck is a landscape truck, so it's a 14-foot Vanscaper. It's got the split ramps on it. It's got 2-foot dovetail on the back of it, so it's shorter than the traditional 4-foot, so you got a smaller turning area. And you can have a little bit longer ramps. And these are split ramps, so you can have both down at the same time. This one down, that one up, or that one up and this one, that one down and this one up. So you got some configurations for loading and unloading your equipment, fertilizer, or whatever else. As we said, this is a 14-foot, it's 78 inches tall, 96 wide. It's got the wood scuff, or the wood slats with the wood scuff on the bottom. It's got a couple of hangers for lawn equipment, and it's got a nice shelf in the front. It's got a wood floor that's still in really good shape, the aluminum roof, and it has the dome light for those early morning, late afternoons when they need to see what they're doing. A lot of our customers come in just looking for a delivery truck. We've got a lot more than just delivery trucks. Here, as you can see, we've got a nice vocational Vanscaper. We have the open landscapers. Of course, we got the small and the large van bodies. And even though this is a 2011 truck, it's in really good shape. We can still put your wrap on it, your name, your design, your phone number, and turn that fuel money into advertising money while you're driving down the road. We've got a really nice 2011 Isuzu NPR with pre-qualified for the AGWS. It's fully serviced, ready to go. Go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, or subscribe to that YouTube. So that way, every time we put new product on, you'll be able to see it and see what we got coming in. If you'll stick with us for a second, we're going to tilt the cab, start this truck up, and do a little closer walk around so you can see it. And as always, we appreciate your time.